Hello everyone, we are still looking at Outlook and we are doing pro tips on Outlook, and in this video I'm quickly going to show you something that you need to do very often, and that is to safeguard you and your emails in Outlook. Let's jump right in. So if you have your mailbox, right, and you've got your email folders, this is the contents of PSTs, but I want to show you this regardless of what mailbox type you have. Even if you have Exchange mailbox or a 365 or a Gmail or any type of mailbox set up in Outlook, I would suggest that you regularly export your, you go to open and export your emails, the contents of your emails, to a file that you can back up and store safely. If you're working for a company, do it. It's good. The first thing that happens when you are fired from any company is they revoke your email access. Now, what if there's important emails in your mailbox that led up to this dismissal and you want to further it legally? You need a copy of those emails to be available. So you go to the file menu, then import, export, and then, or open and export, and then you go here to export to a file. And here you say next, and then you say Outlook data file, PST, next. And now you select everything that you want to export, right? You cannot export from multiple PST files, which is sort of a problem, but just select the root of that cluster of stuff you want to export. You can do filters if you want. You can, for example, filter only the emails from this year or last year or a certain person or a date range, which is very useful, especially if you have a lot of emails. Maybe section it up into years. I would actually suggest that. I think that is a very good idea. But you can see there's a lot of options that you can use to export, almost like a mail search. And when you have your filters set, you select the root of that folder, and you say next, and you select the file it should save to. So let's quickly select a file there. I'm going to put it in my A drive. Where is my A drive? I'm going to put it right there, and then back up to the PST. Give it a descriptive name, like emails for 2022, for example. And then you can, okay, so with these options, replace duplicates with items exported. That is if the PST file already exists, so don't worry too much about that. And you finish. And then in the last step, it'll ask you if you want to add a password for this PST file. That is your choice. Do not forget the password if you select to choose a password. If the file is going to be kept safe, then don't put a password. If you put a password, oh geez, just remember the password, super important. And then okay, if you don't want a password, just put no password and it'll do your export. And let's quickly go to the A drive and go see our file, right? There we are, backup.pst. And if you want to access these emails now again, you just go to File and you open that PST file. Open Outlook data file. Do not select import, just select open. The problem with import is it's going to pull all of those emails into your current mailbox that's already defined in Outlook, and that's going to fill it up very quickly. So just open it. And there you go. There is your, oh jeez. There is your PST file. Lovely, right? Okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time.